In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Mailchimp email not received. If someone says they never got your Mailchimp email, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can check to figure out where the problem is and what to do next. First, ask the recipients to check their spam, junk, promotions, or updates folder. Sometimes Mailchimp emails are delivered successfully, but the email provider filters them into a different tab or folder instead of the main inbox. Next, verify the email address carefully. A small typo or formatting mistake can stop the message from arriving, so make sure the address was entered correctly. After that, log into Mailchimp and go to your campaign's area. Check the status of the campaign to confirm it was actually sent. You want to make sure it isn't still saved as a draft or scheduled for later. Then open the campaign report and review the delivery results. Pay close attention to delivered emails, bounced emails, unsubscribed contacts, and cleaned contacts. This report can quickly tell you whether the email was sent successfully or if there was a delivery issue. If you see a bounce, that usually means the message was rejected. This can happen if the recipient's mailbox is full or their mail server refused the email. You should also verify the contact's subscription status. Make sure the person is still an active subscribed contact and has not unsubscribed, been cleaned because of previous bounces, or been removed from your audience. A helpful next step is to send a test email to another address on a different provider, such as Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. This helps you tell whether the problem is tied to one specific inbox or if it's more widespread. If you use a custom sending domain, check your domain authentication settings. Confirm that your SPF records are configured correctly, DKIM authentication is enabled, and the domain shows as verified. These settings are important because they help improve deliverability and trust with receiving mail servers. You'll also want to review your audience targeting. Make sure the recipient wasn't accidentally excluded by tags, segments, groups, or conditional audience filters. Another useful fix is to ask the recipient to whitelist your sending address by adding it to their contacts or safe sender list. This can help future emails reach the inbox more reliably. Also check your Mailchimp dashboard for any delivery warnings, account notices, or compliance alerts. These can sometimes explain why messages aren't reaching contacts. If the campaign shows as delivered, but the recipient still can't find it, your final step is to contact Mailchimp support. Be ready to share the campaign ID, the recipient's email address, the send date and time, and the delivery report details so they can investigate more efficiently. That's how to troubleshoot a Mailchimp email that wasn't received.